If you're experiencing the cloud save error 2026 in Elden Ring, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you ensure your game saves are properly synced and functioning. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Elden Ring or Bandai Namco website to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes cloud save errors can occur due to server maintenance or outages. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Elden Ring completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection to the cloud servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you are playing on Steam or another platform, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which may fix the cloud save issue. Step 4. Check storage space. Ensure that you have enough storage space available on your device and in a cloud. Insufficient storage can prevent successful cloud saves, leading to errors. Step 5. Relink your account. If the issue persists, try unlinking and then relinking your gaming account to the cloud service. This can help reset the connection and resolve any account-related issues causing the error. After following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error 2026 in Elden Ring. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.